Hey F.U.N.N.E.R.S, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we just bought a Philips hairdryer, and now we're going to do the unboxing and show you guys the reveal. So we open the box like that. Hold the camera, Jojo. Then this is the hairdryer. Oh look, it has a foldable handle. Then these
Nobody read manuals.
boring and useless manual. We're gonna saving this box for our art and craft with those nuts. So if you wanna see, subscribe to our channel. It's going to be on this channel, which is F.U.N.N.E.R.S. And why don't we see how it works? So
Okay.
we're gonna take out the plastic.
Oh, foldable hair dryer.
Okay, so we're gonna unfold it, and then we're going to plug it in. Come on, baby! Let's unwind the wire. Let's on it. Okay, so now cover your ears if you're very hearing sensitive, because this is very loud. This one.
That's you.
This one.
Okay, this one.
And this is 2. So I guess it's very strong and powerful. Okay, so I guess that's the end for today's video. See you guys next time on our channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you get all notifications. And if you really think this is good, then you should share it with all your friends. And see you next time. That's the end for today's video. And